इधर ईरान ने सुबह सुबह तेल अवीव पर एक बार फिर से बड़े मिसाइल हमले को अंजाम दिया। एयर रेड अलर्ट सायरन के बाद लोग बम जो बंकर्स वहां पर बनाए गए हैं वहां पर जाकर छिप गए। देखिए हमारे संवाददाता मनीष झा की रिपोर्ट।
वक्त हम बॉम्ब शेल्टर में हैं और यहाँ आसपास रहने वाले जो भी लोग हैं वो सब सुरक्षित रहने के लिए बॉम्ब शेल्टर में आ गए हैं। तो मैं इनमें से एक व्यक्ति से बात करता हूँ। हाय, आई एम मनीष फ्रॉम इंडिया। व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
My name is Adin. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Would you please care to explain that what is happening right now and why so many people are here and what is the time, Israeli time right now?
Yeah, it is now 3 a.m. Israel time, and we're down here in the bomb shelter because there were sirens going off. So we're just here to be safe.
And I can see that lots of people here and different kind of reaction, like someone has come with bed, someone is playing cards, someone is interacting with each other, and then I can see different kind of emotions. So what does it mean and what kind of message you would like to give to the world?
Yeah, well, everyone's here, just trying to pass time. I'm here with my dog Mamba, and this is Joy, very good dogs, and this is Evia, and this is Zozo, and this is Dana, and we're all here together in the bomb shelter just waiting for the okay to go outside, and we're happy and we're proud of our country.
When I was coming from India and I saw at the border that lots of Israeli people were coming to home. And I have seen so many countries in the war. Most of the country people go out from the country, from the home.
Yeah.
But here the situation is completely different.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, everyone wants to be close to their families. Like my brother-in-law, he was stuck in Paris and he chose to come back to be with my sister and his kids. So people want to come back home to be close to their families.
रोहित, जब मैं इनसे बात कर रहा हूँ तो आप साथ में आसपास दिखा भी सकते हो। तो then like as a common citizen, like what you or your family or your friends are going through this during this period, and then what do you think that about Iran, about the current situation?
We have no problem with the people of Iran. I think that the Israeli people, we used to have a very good relationship with Iran before the 70s, and we would love to have that relationship with the people of Iran in the future. Israel is protecting itself against nuclear weapons, and we're very proud of our army.